Hey y'all, it's Keisha, Coach K, coming back with our meditation moments. Once again, remember that it's only 4 minutes. I introduced it to you last week, and this week we're going to do what is called a mantra. So, as we meditate, we're going to repeat these things over and over and over to actually build in our confidence within so it can radiate outwardly. It's called an I am meditation. What I ask is in the beginning, I'm going to give you words, but then toward the end, I may just say I am, and I want you to fill in the blank with whatever it is that you want to say about yourself so you can continuously build that confidence within. Okay? So remember, get in a comfortable seated position. I have my legs crossed. You can choose to put your hands like this on your legs, hands open, or the cup that I spoke about previous, just to make sure that you are allowing energy to flow, fluidly throughout your body. All right? Back straight. Ah, take a deep breath in. And release. Doesn't that feel good? One more deep breath in and release. I want you to start by clearing your mind. Clearing your mind of the things that have to happen today. Your to-do list, picking up the kids, running errands, whatever they may be. Empty your mind from those. And during these 4 minutes, only allow positivity, radiance, love, peace, serenity to flow through. I want you to take one more deep breath in, and when you do, rise your shoulders to your ears, and then let it go with a big sigh. Breathe in, release. Doesn't that feel good? Take a moment to smile in gratitude of all of the great things that have been bestowed upon you. As you sit and meditate, relax and enjoy these thoughts entering in. Repeat after me. I am confident. I am powerful. I am a radiant, beaming light. Take a deep breath in and release. Make sure you keep your eyes closed. Relax completely into this moment. Repeat after me. I am confident. I am powerful. I am a radiant, beaming light, allowing all great things to enter. Breathe in and release. You're thankful for all of the greatness. You're thankful while you're on this journey. You're thankful for just everything that has happened to you thus far. Being awoken is one of the greatest gifts that we can ask for. It shares with us that we have the opportunity once more to go after our God-given purpose. Take a deep breath in and release. Repeat after me. I am confident. I am powerful. I am a radiant, beaming light. Take a deep breath in and release. Take a deep breath in and release. Sit in silence for 30 seconds, repeating those things inwardly of what we just spoke of. Starting now. Now repeat once more. I am confident. I am powerful. I am that radiant, beaming light, shedding nothing but greatness into this world. Wiggle your toes and your hands to awaken your body back to this moment. Shake your shoulders just a little bit. Open your eyes and smile. Thank you for joining me for this 4-minute meditation. I hope it continues to inspire you as you go on your journey. Please be sure to share how you're liking this through the Facebook private group and share it with someone that you know that it will assist. I can't wait to hear how wonderful your day is just by taking the moment to meditate. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, y'all.